Welcome to the Learning English channel. Business English. Improve your performance. Power of schedule. Hello. In this video, we learn about improving workplace work performance and provide insights into the strategies involved at work.
Okay, everyone, today's lesson is finished. We have some time. If any one of you has a question, don't hesitate to ask.
Mr. Jordan, I have a question. How can I improve my performance in the workplace?
That's a great question, Damien. There are a lot of things you can do to improve your performance. The first of them is to create a schedule.
A schedule?
Yes, a schedule. When you have a schedule, you know what you need to do and when you need to do it. This can help you stay on track and avoid procrastination.
I see.
Here are some tips for creating an effective schedule. Be realistic about how much time you have available. Prioritize your tasks. Schedule time for breaks and relaxation. Be flexible and willing to adjust your schedule as needed. Track your progress and make adjustments as needed.
Thanks for the tips, Mr. Jordan. I'll try to create a schedule and see how it goes.
You're welcome. I'm confident that it will help you improve your performance.
After class, Damien approaches Mr. Jordan.
Mr. Jordan, I'm still a little confused about how to create a schedule. Can you help me?
Sure, I'd be happy to help. Here's what I would do. First, make a list of all the tasks that you need to complete. Then prioritize the tasks. Which tasks are the most important? Which tasks can wait? Once you've prioritized the tasks, start scheduling them. Be realistic about how much time you have available. Don't forget to schedule time for breaks and relaxation. It's important to take care of yourself so that you can be productive. Be flexible and willing to adjust your schedule as needed. Things don't always go according to plan. Track your progress and make adjustments as needed. This will help you stay on track and make sure that you're meeting your goals.
Thanks, Mr. Jordan. I think I understand now.
You're welcome. I'm confident that you can create a schedule and improve your performance. And after each lesson, I will try to explain one thing to improve workplace performance. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, give it a like, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. I would really appreciate it.